You ready to go into the water?
Yeah.
What are we gonna find?
Fishy.
All right, let's go find some fishies.
Check it out. What's it all about?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 4 and we are at Roatan. Should be a fun adventure for us today. We're going off the ship and onto the island for the first time for our family. We've been here before. Me and Jennifer's been here before, but we never got off the ship.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we'll ever get off the ship here in Roatan, and it should be a lot of fun because we're going to West Bay Beach to have a lot of fun in the white sand and blue water. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're excited. So stick with us, guys. We're about to get off the ship. They just opened up the gangway, and we will be exiting the ship here shortly and headed to our adventure. Well, guys, we made it to West Bay Beach, and it's very, very beautiful here.
What do you think
it's
of it,
amazing.
Isla? What do you think?
You like it?
Good.
You like it so far? The sand is nice and soft.
Yeah.
The water is very, very blue.
Girls are ready to get in the water.
The girls once we got here, the girls already started running towards the water. So we're gonna go ahead and let them play. We're gonna go snorkel a little bit, play in the water, and maybe fly the drone a little bit. You ready to go into the water?
Yeah.
What are we gonna find? Fishy?
Fishy.
All right, let's go find some fishies. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna try to catch a fish?
Yeah.
That's gonna be hard, but we can try. Let's go swim out a little ways and see if we can find some big ones, okay?
Yeah.
You saw a fish? Where?
Yeah.
Over there? Did you see the fish?
Yeah.
Wow!
Where's
You want to try to find some more? Okay. Ariana and I just finished exploring the pool that they have here, and it was pretty cool. Definitely didn't stay in long enough. Ariana enjoyed it, I think, but now I'm gonna go all the way down to the end of the beach here, next to this rock that I saw from the drone footage that there is a lot of reefs out there, so I'm gonna go explore that, hopefully find some really cool fish. guys, that concludes our day here at West Bay Beach. I certainly had a lot of fun snorkeling. I know Mom was just relaxing with the kids, or relaxing.
You know how traveling with kids is.
Yeah, that's right. But we had a lot of fun. Definitely recommend this place.
A
Definitely.
little bit busy, but
Well, when we got here relatively early, I think, and it wasn't so busy, but now it's really busy, and I think it's mainly because a lot of the cruise ships have done their other excursions, and their last stop is, of course, at the beach. So now we're heading back to the ship. We're getting back with our driver. He's going to take us back to the ship, and we'll probably eat lunch because I know the kids are hungry.
yep.
You hungry? Did you have fun? Well, we made it back to the ship, and we had a really good time. Aria got so sandy in the sand, and Isla played in the water for about 2.5 seconds, and Mom got to play in the water for about 4 minutes.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I mean, that's what traveling with kids is. I had an amazing time. You have to watch the video that I took
Don't know what he saw.
of the coral reef. And really, to be honest, guys, I think Tabiana Beach is probably better for all you guys who want to see the reefs. It's a little bit less of a walk to get there from Paradise Beach, was where we were sitting at.
But still walkable. Distance.
Yeah, it was totally walkable. Only took me about 5 minutes to walk there. I'm just saying, if you want quick access to the reefs that I saw, that's the place you want to go. So we're actually heading back there in November. Surprise, surprise. And hopefully this time Mom will actually get to check it out when we get back there in November. For now, guys, we are going to go eat lunch because these kids are hangry.
Yeah.
Example right there, right over my shoulder. And so we're gonna go get some lunch because no one's really on the ship, so hopefully there's no lines and we're gonna get full.
Yeah. Enjoy the not full boat.
And I'm sure we'll head our way over to Adventure Ocean.
Kids fun.
There, perfect. Good job. All right, guys. Well, we're ending the day with Roatan behind us, and tomorrow is Costa Maya. So it should be a lot of fun. We've been there before, only once before. We look forward to going back. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in Costa Maya, bright and early. See you later, everybody. Bye. Oh, you got me kidding. You ready to go into the water?
Yeah.
What are we gonna find? Alright, let's go find some fishies.
Check it out. What's it all about?